Hi, friends! Let's go harvest some purple eggplants. Wait! We need something bigger to help us. Let's draw a special yellow excavator with a cute white kitten. Look, a white kitten. It's so cute. Ah, it's glowing. Magic time. Wow! Our kitten excavator is so cool!
Stop! Monkey Bandit, you are ruining the farm! Get someone down here now! They're tearing up the eggplants! Help! The monkey stole the excavator and is destroying everything!
Yay! Hold on tight, Superboy! Let's go save the farm! Magic brush. Create a giant eggplant wall. What the?
No more running, Monkey Bandit! You are caught!
Oh, that's Big Bob.
You must write an apology and help Farmer Ben fix the farm.
Why heavy you warm up there?
Let's work together to make the farm beautiful again.
Thank you, Busy Vehicles kids. You saved my farm.
Always be kind and help others. Did you like our kitten excavator? Hit like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more magic. See you next time. Bye-bye.